Good morning.
Go say hi to Courtney. Your hands are freezing. It's killing me.
Want some socks for your hands?
No.
Want some socks for your hands?
Oh, look, you're getting a lot of hair, girlfriend. A lot of hair.
Can I sit? Can I sit?
Clap hands with me. I just want to hug you.
How did your sleep go with the humidifier?
Always better. Do I look at the picture or it's going up?
Where you going?
Say thank you.
Show mommy your book that you got.
Wow, let's see it. The night before Christmas.
Oh, let me take this off before she breaks it. God bless you. Bless you.
I'm not sick. I'm good.
Oh, so nice. I did that so she won't know.
Wow. This way, Bubba.
James, when you get a chance, can you go in the car and get her the CD that I took out?
Wow. Fix your legs. Wow. Say wow. 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 Who's that? Santa? Babe, you think that's pom-poms? Woo! Ooh, don't put that in your mouth. That's yuck. Pick it up. Woo, 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 woo! Ma. Merry Christmas to our garbage man.
Yeah. Your mother's gonna go broke tipping everyone.
Only my mom gives a ridiculous amount of money to our garbage men and the mailman.
I knew eventually you. Man!
I caught you.
Nice little trap. Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap. Come on, sit. Let me get a sip. Let me get a sip. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay.
Grab the ear.
That'd be
Okay.
nice.
She's messing me up. Okay, next one. Okay, I'll let you pick. Okay.
You like these?
Oh,
I
click
want
it. Click
these.
the button.
What? Oh, they're really cute. Those are nice. You gonna wear them today?
I don't know. I don't think it goes.
What? I got your teats on vlog though.
You do?
Oh, your teats are still on vlog.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they're gonna be a hit.
Oh, yeah.
I do really like those actually.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't know about with these, though.
Why? They totally go with that. Yeah. So you can't wear the same color shoes
Well,
with the same
I
color shirt. I can't.
I try not to.
No. Everyone says I'm so like
No.
And these are mine. These are
Ah.
fab.
Yeah.
These ones are Journeys. I got them from DSW. I'm telling my friends on my blog.
Mom, Min goes, look. This is what Min does. Hurry up, I want to see. Man.
That's nice. Oh, for the concert tonight?
No.
Just to have?
This with these. I bought.
Yes, that's very matchy. I don't do match. I'd wear like a black shirt and those shoes. Or black shoes with that
Well,
shirt.
don't talk to them then, because they don't know how to match.
I don't. That's
They get crazy. They think when I pick things, they're like, really? I'm like, yeah, that goes.
I don't do matchy.
Never.
I always have like 3 or 4 different colors going on in my outfit. Yeah. Window watchers. Oh. Santa. Hi. He's such a sweet.
Mom, Min goes, look. This is what Min does. Hurry up, I want to see. Man.
That's nice. Oh, for the concert tonight?
No.
Just to have?
This with these. I bought.
Yes, that's very matchy. I don't do match. I'd wear like a black shirt and those shoes. Or black shoes with that
Well,
shirt.
don't talk to them then, because they don't know how to match.
I don't. That's
They get crazy. They think when I pick things, they're like, really? I'm like, yeah, that goes.
I don't do matchy.
Never.
I always have like 3 or 4 different colors going on in my outfit. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. It's VLOGCEMBER day 23. How many more days we have left? 2. So we're actually gonna go Christmas shopping today. I know this is the day. Usually it's like Christmas Eve I'm shopping, but we're gonna do it a day early this year. So my sister's here having lunch. My cousins are here from Georgia, and we're gonna go shopping at the mall. And where else? I think we have to run to Walmart and Target. Like, oh, I'm stuck. Ow. And then just a couple places. So I'm feeling like shit still, but I'm gonna pretend that I don't. So let's do this. Right, guys? Yep. We'll see you in a little bit. Oh, by the way, on my lips, I'm wearing Anastasia Beverly Hills Stripped. And I have just some glitter on my eyes. The Urban Decay, I don't know, one of theirs. It's a silver one. So I'll look to you guys. I just wanted to show you my shirt today is from Fashion Nova, and it just cut out in the sleeves. My style, olive green, and just some leggings from Target.
Oh, mommy! Hi, Reg. Hi, Kay. Lynn, take that camera. Hi. You look so good.
Thank you.
You almost dropped this out of my
So sweet.
So glad to see you.
Don't lie to her. She looks like shit.
Wait, did you see her?
Ew, that was sick. She was just picking her nose and she put it in her mouth. Ew.
Reg did it.
Mommy! Fine.
I love you.
Oh. I got that on video.
Yay!
Did I know that was gonna happen? I knew that was gonna happen.
How many people does it take to pick up money?
Oh,
she
oh
skis.
no.
That's
I
skis?
skied change.
Ew.
I skied money. Thank you so much.
Oh my god. You're an idiot.
She stuck her foot in it.
Okay, so we're sitting in the kitchen having lunch, and all of a sudden we get a knock at the door. I go to the door. It's some girl that was just like driving by that just like was knocking on everyone's house to see if it was their dog. Lola, where is she, Madison? Decided to run away.
Nobody knew.
And we didn't even know she was gone. So she's back now though. And what, babe? Woo! So we're gonna finish eating lunch, Miss Madison, and then we're gonna go to the mall. So I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Baby, you're a celebrity. Let me see you. No, this way. This way, you crazy girl. Come on. Come on, girlfriend. I thought we had to go in here. Where'd Gigi go, Madison? Look at Mama. What? You see a dog? You see the dog? Come here, babe. Reg, you can't watch this. Let's see. What are we gonna get her? The plain black ones.
Yeah.
Those are for grandmas.
No, they're not, man.
Those are for grandmas.
Man.
I like these.
Yeah, but I don't know if she's gonna like the band.
I'd wear these bad boys.
She has a pair. She has a pair.
Oh, I like these.
Yeah, aren't they cute? I don't
Yeah.
know. I said I like those. Pretty good those. I don't think she'll like those.
Oh, I like these too. And I like,
I like
those.
these. You think she'll like these? I mean, I like these.
I like those too.
Man, what is this?
What's
Mommy,
what?
These two?
Whoa, those are like, I'd wear these with like
No.
a tank top
Yeah.
and wear those to bed.
Yeah. Yeah.
You too, Lex?
Yep.
I knew you would. I like these too.
Hi. What do you have?
She scared me. She scared me too.
What you see? This? What's going on here? A lot going on in this mall. Ready, mommy? Come on, babe.
Oh no!
It's like, oh, what's this? What is this? What is this? She's already ready for the perfume. I scared her. Maddie, here, Maddie. You can hold your bubbles. Come on, hold your bubbles. Let's go.
Like the hat? Dancing. Can you guys take it? Can you mess it?
Eyeshadows, blushes, and bronzers.
Are you gonna do a tutorial?
Yeah, look at the freaking light.
Are you gonna do a tutorial? She wants to do it by herself. She's so low. She's a solo artist.
Yes.
Really funny right now. This girl just like laughed super loud, and Madison just mimicked her. She turned around with like a bitch face on, like, who just mimicked me? Meanwhile, it was Madison. Funny.
Let's see your new robe, babe.
Show the outfit. Show the whole outfit.
Oh wait, so fancy. You look like Hugh Hefner.
You love it? Come on, let's go eat dinner. We just got home. We're gonna eat dinner now.
Hi guys.
Hi. Yeah, I got Chick-fil-A. Hey you guys, so we're just finishing up, well, the day, and my nose is all red from blowing it, but we survived, and we're just eating some Chick-fil-A. Right now, it's so good. And yeah, so I hope everyone's having a really good December 23rd. It's almost Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.